Apex just exploded 268% while the entire crypto market is bleeding. That's right, $162 billion dollars wiped from the market in what traders are calling Red September. Yet one token is absolutely defying gravity. I'll show you exactly what's happening with this massive surge, plus why derivatives are suddenly rocketing 37% while everything else crashes. Let's dive in. What's up, Crypto Pulse family? Alex from Moonward Capital here with your essential 6-minute market update for September 27th, 2025. If you've been watching the markets today, you know it's absolute chaos out there. We're seeing a massive $162 billion wipeout across crypto, but in the midst of this bloodbath, something extraordinary is happening with derivatives tokens, particularly Apex, which has absolutely exploded with a 268% gain. Let's break down exactly what's happening and what it means for your portfolio. First, let's get a snapshot of where the major assets stand. Bitcoin holding steady at 109,464, down just a fraction at 0.18%. Ethereum, showing some resilience at 4,016, actually up 1.36%. XRP at 2.78, up slightly at 0.85%. Solana performing well at 204, up nearly 4%, and BNB holding strong at 962, up about 1%. Now here's where it gets fascinating. While the broader market has lost $162 billion in what traders are calling Red September, specific sectors are showing incredible divergence. The derivatives sector has absolutely exploded with a 37.45% surge, completely defying market gravity. Meanwhile, buybacks have captured 21.91% of market mindshare. That's massive. Stablecoins are seeing a 10.96% mindshare with a 35% surge in flight to safety. What's happening here is a perfect storm. Smart money is flowing into high-conviction plays while weak hands get absolutely crushed. We saw $1.7 billion in liquidations in a single day. Now let's talk about the star of today's show, Apex. This token has absolutely skyrocketed 268% in the past 24 hours, becoming the talk of crypto Twitter. What's driving this massive surge? First, it's riding the derivatives sector explosion. Derivatives as a whole are up 37.45%, the only major sector showing green in this bloodbath. Second, we're seeing record volumes, $151 million in 24-hour volume, which is about 65% of its entire market cap. And third, there's massive speculation about potential buyback programs, which ties into that 21.91% buyback mindshare dominance we're seeing across the market. The Fear and Greed Index has dropped to 47.94, moving from neutral territory into slight fear. This is exactly when smart money makes its moves. While retail traders panic sell, causing $1.7 billion in liquidations, institutions are quietly accumulating high-conviction plays like derivatives protocols. We're seeing defensive positioning dominant in the options markets, with put-call ratios showing traders are hedging downside risk. So what does all this mean for your portfolio? First, this divergence between sectors shows we're entering a more mature market where quality matters. The days of everything pumps together are over. Second, derivatives protocols are showing incredible strength, signaling that smart money sees value in trading infrastructure regardless of market direction. Third, the massive flight to stablecoins, plus 135% mindshare surge, tells us many traders are moving to sidelines, creating potential buying opportunities if you have dry powder ready. The key question is, are we witnessing the great divergence where high conviction plays thrive while weak hands get liquidated? Remember, chaos creates opportunity. Apex's 268% surge proves that quality narratives can thrive even in red September conditions. The derivatives sector's 37% explosion shows where smart money is positioning despite liquidation chaos. If you found this market update valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for Crypto Pulse updates every 12 hours. Drop a comment below. Which high conviction plays are you backing while others panic? I'm Alex from Moonward Capital, and I'll see you in 12 hours for our next Crypto Pulse.